What's going on, guys? Firewolf Tech here, showing you guys the Sony ZV-E1 digital camera. Now this is going to be a full frame camera which is compatible with E-mount lenses. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so right on top of the box we're going to have all the details of warranty plans, protection plans, and all the goodies from Sony. Here we have the actual camera itself. Here's the Sony ZV-E1, an absolutely beautiful camera. Now I am using the Sony ZV-E10 camera that's being shown at the moment, so this is going to be my new camera here since I want to utilize the full frame sensor, and since I'm using this for indoor recording, this should be more than enough. Let's take a look around the camera here. You can see in the back here is very similar to the ZV-E10 as well. You got all of your little menu buttons over here. You have a nice little flip out screen. Right on top here, we got a nice little cold shoe attachment here, microphone over here. We have little switches over here for the camera, video, and S&Q. Got a dedicated record button over here, little menu button over here, a little dial. See right in the front, you can see the E-mount over here. Here's the actual full frame sensor over here, so definitely a lot larger than the APS-C sensor that I currently have right now. This is where the battery is going to go. Here we have the insides over here. This is where the SD card is going to go. Looks like we have separate doors for each one. So the door for the SD card has a locking mechanism. And here we have the 3.5mm jack and the micro HDMI port. And on the left side, we should have the 3.5mm jack and the USB Type-C connector over here. So this is used to charge or connect to your computer. See what else we get inside the box here. Looks like they give us a nice little, probably looks like a shoulder strap, Sony branded. And here's the actual battery that comes with the Sony ZV-E1. Here's a nice little attachment here for the cold shoe. This is going to be a wind blocker to reduce the wind noise on the microphone itself. And the lens choice that I'm going to be using is going to be the G Master FE 24mm f1.4 G Master lens, which I'll be unboxing on a separate video. So make sure you guys check out my channel here so you can see the unboxing of this one. All right, so I have the 24mm f1.4 G Master lens over here. Let's go ahead and attach the battery itself. Just gonna open this up. Slides in very easy, clicks nice. I'm going to screw this portion over here. I'm going to locate the little white dot for E-mounts and match it with this white dot right over there in the top right. Okay, once we have that mounted up, we're going to twist it. So we hear a nice little click. There you go, that's the little click. And then we have the actual lens attached. It's really nice. Okay, we got the little on switch right over here. It looks like it's not powering it on, so we do have to charge it, so make sure you guys charge it right off the box. Alright, so I just charged it with this battery charger over here, which is the official Sony one. Go ahead and power it on. And there we go. We have the setup screen here. set up our preferred language. Looks like you can connect your smartphone. I'm just gonna hit do not connect. And you can set up your date and time. Go ahead and remove the lens cover here. Now you can see the camera is fully functional with the lens that I have here. It's really cool. It does have some touch functionality right over here. Really cool. You can always flip the screen. You can articulate it. There you go. And whenever you're done, you go ahead and power it off. And that's it, guys. So this is the Sony ZV-E1. And again, if you're considering this camera, I highly recommend checking this one out. I love how light it is. It feels really nice. This grip is nice as well. And for the price, you're getting a full frame sensor. I believe it's the A7S III sensor on this camera. And if you're like me and using a camera indoors and you're not going to be shooting video for longer than an hour at a time, then I think this is perfect, especially for someone like me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys.